Welcome to Learn SAP FICO. Friends, today we will learn about basic settings, more basic settings. Basic settings of fiscal year variant. What is fiscal year? Financial year is known as fiscal year. Fiscal year variant normally contains 12 months as the posting periods in a fiscal year and maximum 4 months as a special periods. You can define up to 16 posting periods in a fiscal year. Under circumstances, fiscal year contains fewer than 12 months are also permitted as shortened fiscal year. How to create a fiscal year variant? Step 1. Maintain fiscal year variant. T-code is OB29. Step 2. Click on New Entries. Step 3. Provide the following details. Fiscal year variant. Enter 2-digit fiscal year. Description. Enter a description of fiscal year variant. Year dependent. What is year dependent? If starts and end date of the fiscal year changes between year, then check this box. Calendar year. If the fiscal year is same as the calendar year, January to December, then check this box. Number of postings. Enter number of posting periods for a fiscal year. Number of special periods. Enter number of special periods of a fiscal year. Now friends, we will do practical on a SAP screen. Go to SAP screen. We will go through a path. Write SPRO in a command box. Click on SAP Reference IMG. Click on Financial Accounting New. Click on Financial Accounting Global Settings New. Click on Ledgers. Here click on third one, Fiscal Year and Posting Periods. Click on this. Here first one is fiscal year. Maintain fiscal year variant. This is a note. You can go through it also. It has a description about maintain fiscal year variant. You should go through it also. Now click on this execution button to create fiscal year variant. Now here click on New Entries. Back. First of all, see here it is a fiscal year variant. It is for description like our financial year is from April to March. So like this, here we have to describe our financial year. And here is a year dependent. If your fiscal year is year dependent, so check on this box, otherwise leave it. If your fiscal year as a calendar year like January to December, so you have to check on this box, otherwise no need to tick on it. Number of posting periods you have to mention here and number of special periods you have to mention here. Now click on this position and select the variant V3. V3 is a standard fiscal year variant for April to March. In India, fiscal year variant is April to March. So we will select it and click on this copy button. Here we will give a name of your fiscal year variant. I am giving T3 as my fiscal year variant, and here it is mentioned April to March as a description because we have copy from V3. So all the settings are copied. Number of posting periods, here is 12. I have taken 12, and number of special posting period is 4. Now enter. Now click on this copy all option and enter. Now it has copied. You can see here T3 has copied. Now select this and click on this periods. Double click on this folder. First we have to save it. Yes. We have to choose our company request. Tata is our company request, transport request. So continue. Now select it and double click on periods. Now you can see here our fiscal year variant is T3, April to March, and 4 special period as we have defined. Number of posting period is 12 and number of special period is 4. Now see here months it has taken January to December. Day as in a January it has 31 days. In February 29 days. Like this it has described. Now what is periods? How it has taken? Our fiscal year is from April to March. So in a 4th month April it has taken first period. In a 5th month it has taken second period. So like this it has taken a period from April to March. And here is 0. Why it is 0? Because our fiscal year we have taken 2020. In a 2020 it has taken 0 because it has a same fiscal year. Now when we will move in a next month new year like January 2021. So in a 2021 it has taken like a -1. Put minus because year shifting. In a 2020 fiscal year it has taken like a put minus for year shifting. Now click on save. Data already saved, so it has saved. Now get back. Now next step is assign fiscal year variant. Here assign fiscal year with a company code. Now click on this execution button. Here click on this position. Type a company code Tata and enter. Here we have to assign fiscal year variant which we have created now T3 with our company code Tata and save. Yes, continue. Data was saved. Now you can see T3 has assigned with our company code. Here it is mentioned April to March and 4 special posting periods. So like this you can create or copy fiscal year variant and assign fiscal year variant. I hope you have understand. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you and have a nice day.